Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Xero for business accounting, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin configuring Xero for your business accounting, start by creating an account on the Xero website. Visit the Xero homepage and click on the Try Xero for free button. Fill in the required details, including your email address and desired password. Once your account is created, log into Xero using your credentials. You will be prompted to enter some basic information about your business. Provide your business name, address, and other relevant details. Choose your industry from the drop-down menu. Next, you'll need to set your financial year-end date. Select the appropriate date for your business accounting year. Xero will then guide you through the setup process with a series of prompts. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure your account settings. After completing the initial setup, navigate to the Accounts section in the dashboard. Set up your chart of accounts by adding any necessary accounts specific to your business. You can customize existing accounts or create new ones as needed. Next, set up your bank accounts by selecting Bank Accounts from the menu. Click on Add Bank Account and enter your bank details accurately. To connect your bank feed, select the bank from the list and follow the integration steps. Once your accounts are set up, proceed to configure your tax settings. Navigate to Settings, then select General Settings. Choose the relevant tax rates applicable to your business. You can also set up your invoice settings under Business in the Settings menu. Customize your invoice templates according to your branding requirements. After that, it's time to add your contacts. Go to the Contacts section and select Add Contact. Fill in all pertinent details for each customer or supplier you want to include. Next, set up your products or services. Navigate to the Products and Services section within the dashboard. Click New Item and provide the details such as name, description, and price. You can also categorize and set stock levels if applicable. Once everything is set, review your settings before finalizing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.